Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with a new topic now. So now we have nature of roots. So in this topic we'll identify the nature of our roots. First of all, what is a root? So if we have a quadratic equation, we'll get such type of curve, and whenever this curve will intersect with the x-axis, the points where we get our y to be 0, right? So y becomes 0 over here. So these 2 points A and B are our roots, right? So those 2 points or points which can make our y equal to 0 is root. Now normally what we do, we find roots with the help of quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? If the general equation is ax square plus bx plus of c, right? So now whenever we want our y to be equal to 0, so what we do for that, we take ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we find values of x with the help of the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to negative b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the roots that we are getting are x is equal to minus b plus of root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x is equal to negative b minus of root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So these are the two values of x. Now, these two values of root majorly depend upon this particular value within the root. So if we have a positive value, we'll get two different roots. If we have 0, we'll get no roots. If the value becomes negative, the roots will be imaginary. Okay, so mainly this value is very important, so we name it as our discriminant. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus and minus of root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Our roots majorly depend upon b square minus 4ac for being real, unique, or imaginary. What do I mean by these three terms? I will tell you later on. But majorly we depend upon b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is our discriminant. And let's take this value to be d. Okay, so we can refer this as d. Let's move forward. So here we have when our discriminant is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So what we are having is we get x is equal to negative b plus of root of d divided by 2a, or x is equal to negative b minus root of d divided by 2a, and d is a positive number. It means we'll get two real roots. Graph will actually intersect the x-axis. So we get two real roots. Okay, but if we get our discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, it means a formula will become x is equal to minus b plus minus root of 0 divided by 2a. It means x is equal to minus b by 2a, or x is equal to minus b by 2a. So both the roots that we are getting are same. So the intersecting point also with the x-axis is just one point, which is point of tangent with the curve. So this one point is the intersecting point, and we say that we get two equal roots. equal real roots. Okay, both the roots are same. So we get two roots, both the roots are equal and real. Now, if the discriminant is actually less than 0, that is negative, x is equal to minus b plus minus negative d by 2a, right? So discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Over here what we get is this negative root makes the complete equation as negative. So this root of negative number makes the complete equation as an imaginary number. So we get x is equal to minus b plus minus root of d iota. Iota means it's imaginary number by 2a. It means both the roots are imaginary numbers. So we never get a real root whenever our discriminant is less than 0. Right? I hope it is clear. So if the discriminant is negative, we say we get two imaginary roots. Okay? Or we can say no real root. Right? So whenever the discriminant is greater than 0, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two real roots. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we get two equal roots but real. And b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we get no real root or imaginary roots. I hope this much is clear. Let's move forward. So we need to find the discriminant for each equation and hence decide if the equation has two distinct roots, two equal roots, or no real root. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So if we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus of c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 12, and c is equal to 36. So if I find the value of b square minus 4ac, that will be equal to negative 12 square minus 4 times 1 times 36. So we get 144 and minus of this is equal to 0. It means we get two equal root. Okay. So we need to answer two distinct root, equal roots, or no real roots. So the roots that we are getting are two equal roots because our discriminant is equal to 0. Right? Let's move forward. So b is equal to 5, a is equal to 1, c is equal to negative 36. B square minus 4ac is equal to 25 minus 4 times 1 times negative 36. That is equal to 25 and plus of 144. That is equal to 169. So it is positive. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It means we have two real roots, right? Let's move forward. So comparing it with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 2. So if I find the value of discriminant, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 81 minus 4 times 1 times 2. That is equal to 81 minus of 8. That is 73. And this gives us the discriminant is actually greater than 0 and it's equal to 73. Therefore we have two real roots, right? Let's move forward. A is equal to 4, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to 1. we get the value of a, b, and c. Finding the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac, we get negative 4 square minus 4 times 4 and c is 1. So this gives us 16 minus of 16, that is equal to 0. So discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It means we have two equal roots, right? Now what we have is, now if we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to, b is equal to negative 7 and c is equal to 8. Finding the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to negative 7 square minus 4 times 2 times 8, that is equal to 49 minus of 64, that is equal to negative of 15, right? So it's negative 15. It means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Discriminant is negative. Negative discriminant means we have no real root. Okay, let's move forward. So comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to negative 2, right? So now if I find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac, so it is equal to square of 10 minus 4 times 3 times negative 2, that is 100, and 6 fours are 24 and positive, so it is 124. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and because it is greater than 0 we have two real roots, right? Let's move forward. Use the discriminant to determine the nature of roots. So first of all we need to simplify it. So if we simplify it, what we get is 2x minus 5x square is equal to 4. So from here we get 5x square minus 2x plus a 4 is equal to 0. If we compare it with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to negative 2, c is equal to 4. Now we get the value of a, b, and c. Finding the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to negative 2 square minus 4 times 5 and c is 4. So from here we get 4 and minus of 4 for the 16, 16 5 is 80. So we get negative 76, and the value of discriminant is negative. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means we have no real root, right? I hope it is clear. I think that's enough for today. Thanks for joining.